Hi everybody, and this is the very last one of Oldies but Goodies Gen X Toon ATC card for the year. Can you believe we're at the end of the year already? Damn, it went so fast. And it's like, wow, where'd it go? Where did 2024 go? I know 2023 for me was a hectic year, but I think these last 2 years went really fast for me. I don't know why. But, so, due to the fact this actually is on Christmas Day, Merry Christmas, everybody. It is the year without Santa Claus. And so, I just got the little picture of the year without Santa Claus and some snowflake background and some puffy stickers for snow. And that is my year without Santa Claus. So, I hope you all have a wonderful Christmas and a happy New Year. And I will see you in 2025. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye, all.